that fucking truck.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. We're going to do another sneaker unboxing. I don't even know what's in these boxes, so it's time that I just get through them while I'm at my dad's house to start getting these shoes numbered and enter storage. Let's see what this shoe is. Bear with me, guys. So we'll be seeing together what these shoes is. Get you a little box action, see if you guys can get that up there. This shoe is the Air Force Jordan 3 Flint Gray, Varsity Maize, and Silver. I believe these are the best of both world Air Jordans. Let me even see if I can remember how to get this box open. I think I remember what shoes these are. Yeah, these are the Air Force Jordans. So we get you guys some box action because it gives you a kind of custom box. If I can even get it out the box. Apologize, bear with me, guys. While filming on another camera as well. So I'll get you guys some box. Get your little Jumpman on the box. As you can see, it's a trifold box. So, like I said, Jumpman on this box. Then you get into the actual shoe. And you get the little Air Force Jordan box. Let me move this back so you guys can see it. So you get the Air Force Jordan box. It's a mix up of an Air Jordan and the Air Force One. Just put it over there. I need something to put this sneaker upon. So bear with me 1 second, guys, as I get another box. I don't know how these got kind of messed up in here, but something's on the suede. This is the Air Force Jordan 3. Get you guys a little 360 action. This is a kind of old shoe. I don't know how long I had it in the box. It's time to start taking them out. They're still dead stock. I got a few other colorways of this shoe. Get you guys the name of the shoe again. Where did I put the right box? This is the Air Force Jordan Flint Gray, Varsity Maize, and Silver, aka the best of both worlds, Air Force Jordan 3. Alright, to the second shoe. Let's get this done. This is a Stock X buy. I don't know what's in here though. We'll find out together. Bust in the box as you guys watch. Let's go. Stock X started adding some bubble wrap. Alright, let's get the sneaker out. Maybe they did that for COVID. Maybe. Get you guys some box action. This shoe is the Air Jordan 1 Mid, black, gem red, and metallic silver, aka the Johnny Kilroy. Not gonna get you guys some of the tags so you can see what I paid for them. I don't know if you can see that. What? I paid $77.90 on Stock X. The Jordan 1 Mids, Johnny Kilroy's, another Stock X card. You guys know how to get the shoe out. A lot of people don't like the Johnny Kilroy shoes. I'm trying to complete the Johnny Kilroy set, which is why I got them. So, get you guys some 360 action. There should be nothing special on this Jordy. Just a nice Jordan 1 Mid. Johnny Kilroy edition. If you like silver things, you like Johnny Kilroy edition Nikes. Sorry about that, guys. My camera cut out on me. I'll give you another quick 360 of the Johnny Kilroy Air Force Jordan 1 Mid. So it's a StockX purchase for everybody who likes to see the StockX swag tag. Alright, let's get on to the next shoe. Alright, this is another in-store purchase. As you can see, I got it from Snipes. Like I said, if you guys have Snipes in your area, make sure you go support them. If you have any shoe store in your area, make sure you support them, because now are hard times for all of the shoe stores. So this is another pickup. This is not a Jordan. This is another one of my Air Max 720 pickups. As you can see, it's the D/MS/X edition. Okay, you got some box action. It's the Nike Air Max 720 Waves. This one is the white, black, and the wolf gray edition. This is a goat pickup. I guess in this video, no, that's not a goat pickup. This is a snipe pickup. I also got a pair from Goat and StockX. They should be around here somewhere. Make me remember that because of this. You get this little bag. The shoes don't fit in there, but if you want to carry like a bag or something like this for something, you could. I don't know what it is. Let me get you guys a look at the bag further away. It's just a Nike bag, like if you just want to have a small duffel to carry some extra cash or something with, whatever, some smoking gear. Pardon me, guys. I don't know what you would carry in that bag. I never use it. That's another Air Max 720. Like I said, this is the Air Max 720 Waves White. Just cut out on me again. I don't know why it's doing that. Hope it stops. But here we go, guys. The white Air Max 720 Waves. I like these shoes. I like all the colorways. I like that they're just a little bit different. I'm tired of all the same shoes. This is definitely, like I said, my Air Max 720 collection. I'm trying to get them all. Not a spectacular bottom or anything, but I guess kind of. It's an unorthodox bottom. I'm going to keep a pair dead stock, and I'm going to wear a pair. Now, if you guys could go out to your store, these are pretty cheap right now. You might pick these up for under 50 bucks. And I was at Snipes. I got these at. They're on sale. They're also on sale on StockX and Gorilla for pretty cheap. I'm going to be going through, and I should hit the pairs of an Air Max 720s I bought from there pretty soon. I thought this might be one of them. This is a Snipes pickup. I got this in-store at Snipes. So if you guys are interested in this shoe, go to Snipes, and you should be able to get it for a steal. Alright, guys. Thanks again for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what shoes that you guys want to see in other videos. Let me know you guys' favorite shoes in case I have them and you want to see it run through. Let me know whatever up-and-coming shoe releases you want to see, so if I have them, I could let them out. I'm also trying to get some SDs, some SBs, some dunks for you guys out there for this up-and-coming week. I know it's going to be hard for me to get them. I'm going to try to go out there and find them for you guys so we can make a video of them. Cause I know you guys are liking them dunks again. Like I said, thanks for watching again, guys. And make sure you stay safe in these bad times. Everybody fucking